Hello, welcome to Malouf Service. Today we're going to show you how to successfully replace the USB hub on your structure's adjustable bed base so you can charge your devices while you sleep. Number 1. Remove your mattress from the base, then lift the base onto its side. If you haven't already, unplug the base from your outlet. Number 2. Locate the control box. Remove the cable securing clip and unplug the defective USB cable from the control box. Then detach the cable from the remaining securing clips. Number 3. Remove the USB faceplate and loosen the 2 screws holding the USB hub in place. Then remove the hub. Number 4. Replace the old USB hub with the new one and tighten the 2 screws to the base. Next, reattach the faceplate to the hub and the cable to the securing clips. Then plug the cable into the control box and reattach the cable securing clip. Number 5. Plug the base into your outlet. Test any USB port by plugging in your device. If your device charges, return the base to an upright position. If you're having trouble replacing your USB hub or have another question about your adjustable base, contact our customer experience team and one of our experts will be happy to assist you.